Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to get next day delivery on Amazon in 2025 step by step. So first of all, you need to make sure that you open your Amazon mobile application and then log in into your account. Now over here, in order to get the next day delivery, you need to have the active Prime membership, and that's the key to get the next day delivery on most of the items. So if you want to apply for Prime, you need to tap on the menu tab here, and then you need to select the Prime option from this list. Now based on your country, it will show you the pricing for Prime, so you will have to apply for Prime, and only then you will be able to get the next day delivery option. Now once you have the Prime, you just have to select your favorite product in the search bar. Like I'm searching for Cetaphil moisturizer, and once you have found your favorite product, you just have to add that product in your cart. Then you need to tap on the cart option, and after that you just have to simply continue to buy. Select your payment method, and at the checkout it will show you whether you are getting the next day delivery or not. If you get the next day delivery, you just have to select the timing for that, and then you can just get the product at your doorstep. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.